So this is the question given. 2 power x equal to 3 power y equal to 6 power minus z. Then 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to. So now let's solve it. So first let's take the given equation. 2 power x equal to 3 power y. Now let's apply log on both sides. So by applying log on both sides we get x log 2 equal to y log 3. Now let's write log 2 in terms of log 3 and x comma y. So log 2 equal to y log 3 by x. So let this equation be equation 1. That is write as equation 1. Now let's see the another equation we have, which is 3 power y equal to 6 power minus z. The same principle applies here. Apply log on both sides. So any kind of surds question can be solved using logarithms. So you should be strong in logarithms to solve surds and indices questions. So now y log 3 equal to minus z log 6. So here log 6 can be written as, 6 can be written as log 3 into log 2. So we are just splitting it. So now let's write z dot as we'll get confused. Now now y log 3 equal to minus z into, so log ab equal to log a plus log b. So using that same formula here. So log 6 equal to log 3 plus log 2. Now let's substitute the log 2 value which we have in the above equation is that log 2 equal to y by x log 3. So then y log 3 equal to minus z log 3 plus y by x log 3. So the equation can be simply solved out by commoning out the log 3 and cancelling it. So y log 3 equal to minus z. So let's take log 3 common. So then we have 1 plus y by x. Just cancel out log 3 term. So now we are left with y equal to minus z into 1 plus y by x. Just bring that minus z this side. So then we have minus y by z equal to 1 plus y by x. Sorry, the camera is not proper. Now just divide this whole equation by y. So then we have minus 1 by z equal to 1 by y plus 1 by x. Bring that 1 by z term this side, and yeah, we are with the final answer. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 0. That's the final answer. So this is a regular model asked in any aptitude exam. So try out this example which I'll be showing now to your understanding. So let's go. So this is the question. Try to solve it and comment the answer you got. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and keep smiling.